Hello everybody, here I am with the problem on flexure strength of the PSC beams. The problem is a pre-stressed concrete beam rectangular in cross section 200 mm wide and 500 mm deep is pre-stressed by tendons having an area of 600 mm square located at 100 mm from soffit of the beam. Given FCK is 40 Newton per mm square and FP 1600 Newton per mm square. Estimate the ultimate flexural strength of the beam for the following cases as per Indian Standard Code recommendations. The first case is if the beam is pre-tensioned, and the second case is if the beam is post-tensioned with the effective bond. So here is the solution. So this is the cross section of the beam, and it has a width of 200 and a depth of 500 mm given in the question, and the pre-stressing cables are located at a distance of 100 mm from the soffit as shown in the figure here, and the effective depth of the beam will be given by 500 minus the 100. The answer is 400, and the given data are here. So breadth is 200, depth we have calculated now, effective depth 400, FCK is 40 Newton per mm square, FP is 1600 Newton per mm square, and AP is 600 mm square. So as we know, the cross sectional area or the cross section is like a rectangle. We'll go with the first case. The first case is a pre-tensioned PSC beam case. So for the rectangular sections, the effective reinforcement ratio is given by FP into AP divided by FCK into BD. All this data is required for the formula are given. So 600 into 1600 divided by 40 into 200 into 400. The answer is 0.3. So now we are in the need of the ratio FU by 0.87 FP for calculating FPU, and the ratio XU by D for calculating the value of XU. So from table 11 of IS 1343 for the value 0.3, here you can see for 0.3 the value of FU by 0.87 FP is 1 for pre-tensioning case, and XU by D for pre-tensioning case is 0.655. So from this data, see here FU by 0.87 FP is 1 and XU by D is 0.655. So from this data we can calculate the value of FU. The value of FU is 1392 Newton per mm square, and XU is 262 mm. Now these two values are a prerequisite for applying in this formula. This formula is for finding the moment of resistance for a beam with the rectangular cross section. So mu is equal to FPU into AP into D minus 0.42 XU. So we have the value of FPU. It's already calculated, and AP is 600, area of pre-stressing steel. Depth is 400, calculated already, and 0.42 into XU is 262. So the answer is 242.17 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. So this is the flexure strength of the beam. Now the second part of this question is regarding post-tensioned PSC beam with the effective bond. The cross-sectional area is same, hence the effective reinforcement ratio will be same as the previous thing. Now again from table 11 of IS 1343, the values are obtained from post-tensioned with effective bond cases for FPU divided by 0.87 FP. And again for XU by D ratio, we will be taking the values from post-tensioned with effective bond. So the values are for FPU by 0.87 FP, it's 0.85, and for XU by D, it's 0.558. Hence the value of FPU is 1183.2 Newton per mm square, and XU is 223.2 mm square. And again applying these values in the formula is same for the rectangular cross section. So when we substitute the values of FPU, AP, effective depth, and XU, the answer is 217.4 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm, or it is 217.4 kilonewton meter. Thank you.